got this. I got secret.
A secret? What's in there? It's dry bones from Super Mario. Where'd you get them from?
I told you.
You got them from
I
Target?
got it.
I got it for you. I'm just being silly. Oh, dry bones is attacking. Oh, we just took a screenshot. Okay, guys, this is dry bones from the Super Mario game. He's a bad guy. He works with Koopa, King Bowser. And you can collect Ice Mario.
That's me.
Actually, I think his name is Parabones. Emiliano called him dry bones. That's what we were calling them, dry bones. And there's Green Toad. And there's a Boo. And a Hammer Bro. They had a Hammer Bro, but we only got one today. Okay, Facio, ready to open it up?
Yes.
Tomorrow, Emiliano is getting, what are you getting, Emiliano? What's in your package?
I can't tell you.
Oh, it's going to be a surprise, so stay tuned. Tomorrow, tomorrow, Emiliano's getting something delivered from Amazon.
I will tell you a secret.
Oh, he'll give you a hint. Here goes one. Here goes the other. What's the hint, Emiliano?
It's an Avenger.
It's an
It
Avengers.
has a hammer.
And it has a hammer. Who can it be? Also having a little trouble over here. Popping him out. And he's out. Let me check him out for you. Oh, his mouth opens up. Special sounds not included. Oh, no, what is it called? Sound effects not included. Okay, and he goes back here. Or is it just pretend?
It's supposed to be.
Oh, yeah, it does pop in.
Yeah, you just need power.
Do you need help?
You need that help.
Do you want to try it, Emiliano?
Can I try Fossil?
Faucetons are a little greasy.
Okay.
Okay, Fossil wants to try it.
Okay.
Try this one. I'll get the other one for you.
I'm going to check out who you can get.
You're going to check out who you can get. Okay, hold them down fast.
Like those hamburgers.
Oh, I don't think they pop in too easily. But we know they belong there.
Was there a hamburger last time?
Yeah, there was a Hammer Bro last time.
But
You got it in? Okay, guys. Well, we hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Don't forget to like and subscribe, Fossil said.
Bye.
Bye.